Ever stared at your crypto portfolio, feeling like there's a missing piece, a whole network of possibilities you haven't quite tapped into yet? What if I told you that unlocking the Beam network, with its focus on privacy and scalability, is far simpler than you might imagine, and you can do it right within the familiar confines of your Trust Wallet? For many of us, Trust Wallet is our digital safe house for cryptocurrencies. It's user-friendly, secure, and incredibly convenient for managing a diverse range of assets. But the crypto world is constantly evolving, with new networks emerging that offer unique advantages. Beam is one such network, built on the Mimblewimble protocol, offering enhanced privacy and efficient transactions. As the crypto landscape expands, so too do our opportunities to explore and engage with these innovative platforms. Integrating Beam into your Trust Wallet isn't just about adding another coin, it's about expanding your horizons within the decentralized world, potentially accessing new dApps, staking opportunities, or simply enjoying the benefits of its privacy-centered design. Now, you might be thinking, adding a custom network sounds complicated. And traditionally, it could be. But Trust Wallet has streamlined the process, making it accessible to even the most novice crypto enthusiasts. The beauty of this integration is that it leverages Trust Wallet's robust infrastructure, meaning you're not sacrificing security for functionality. You get the best of both worlds, the cutting-edge features of the Beam network, all managed from an interface you already trust and understand. This isn't just a technical tutorial, it's about empowering you to take greater control of your digital assets and explore the exciting frontiers of blockchain technology. Imagine being able to seamlessly send and receive Beam tokens, participate in its ecosystem, and manage your holdings alongside your other cryptocurrencies, all from one central application. So, let's cut to the chase and get you set up. The process involves a few straightforward steps, and I'll walk you through each one clearly. First things first, open your Trust Wallet app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure full compatibility. Once you're in, navigate to the main wallet interface. You'll be looking for the Add Custom Token or plus icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with a screen to add a new token. This is where we'll be inputting the Beam network details. Now, for the crucial information. You'll need the Beam network's RPC URL, chain ID, and symbol. Don't worry. These are standard public parameters for any blockchain. For Beam, the network name is Beam, the symbol is Beam, the chain ID is 1121, and the RPC URL is https://mainnet.beam.mw 8645. It's incredibly important to double-check these details for accuracy, as any typo could prevent the connection from being established. Carefully input each piece of information into the respective fields. Once you've entered everything, hit the Save or Add button. If everything is correct, your Trust Wallet will now recognize the Beam network, and you'll see Beam added to your list of supported assets. You've just expanded your crypto capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.